In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off shuffle on Spotify. If you like the sound of that, then make sure you keep watching this video till the end. Now to quickly get started, head over to the app of Spotify. Now let me show you by an example. For now, I'll select the Taylor Swift playlist. Now as you can see, the first song is The Anti-Hero. Now if I open up the song, you can see that there is no shuffle, and if I skip to another song, you can see that the second song plays, which is Lavender Haze. Now if I turn on the shuffle, which is this option right here, then if I change the song, you can see that the third song does not play, which is Midnight Rain, and a different song plays, which is August. So that's how you can turn off shuffle on Spotify. If you guys found this video helpful, then subscribe, share, and also give this video a like. That's going to be all for today's video. Thank you for watching.